Hey everyone, we just wanted to make a quick video. Getting a lot of clients asking me if right now with rates being in the mid sevens, low sevens, if they're too high historically to consider buying a house right now. You've been in the business 20 plus years, Steve. What are your thoughts on that?
Well, Sam, I think rates are historically not high. The only reason they feel high to people is because recently during the pandemic, which was a very extreme situation, rates were lowered as low as they possibly could to stimulate the economy. Now rates have reached what I would call a sort of normal range, and they're not historically high. I've had clients that have had rates as high as 12% in the past. So definitely not. But this brings up another question that our clients are asking, and you might be able to answer this, Sam. Do you think now is a good time to buy, or do you think it'd be better to wait?
Well, so the thing is like Steve was saying, during the pandemic, rates were 2-3%. We're most likely never going to see that again. Could we see rates at 4 or 5% in the future? I believe so. But the problem is that a lot of people I speak to that want to buy, they're on the fence and saying that rates are too high right now, and they're going to wait for rates to come back down to 4, 5, even 6%. But the problem is that if they're waiting with that philosophy, so are a lot of other potential buyers, and then now you have competition. So I think it's better to buy now with low or zero competition, to where you don't have to go up against multiple offers. You don't have to bid $50,000, $100,000 over asking. You could lock in the house at today's prices, and then when rates do drop, you're able to refinance, lock in that 4 or 5% rate, hopefully. So now you've locked in the house at the lower price and the lower rate. So you have the best of both worlds.
Perfect. So what I heard you say, and we actually have something to help make this happen, is buy now don't wait until rates come down and house prices go up, because there's more buyers chasing those few homes. Buy the house now, get the good price on the house. Soon as rates drop, refinance and get the low rate. You get the best of both worlds.
Right.
So we're offering, and you know this because you just bought a house 2 months ago.
Yep.
And I have,
even though the rates are higher.
That's
than
right.
what they've been, because I see the long-term benefits of home ownership.
Exactly. And since I was able to help you with your loan, thank you very much.
Yeah.
You have a certificate from me that will allow us to refinance with no mortgage fees.
Right.
So we're just waiting for the right time to pull the trigger and get a great rate. You already have the great house.
Yeah.
And that's what you're encouraging your clients to do.
Yeah, and I wouldn't tell my clients to do anything that I wouldn't recommend them do. So if you are thinking about purchasing a home here in the next 3 to 6 months, or 6 months to a year, or even longer than that, it's never too early to devise a plan with your realtor, myself, and your lender, Steve. So reach out to us, and we'd be more than happy to help you.
Thank you.